So I decided to take it upon myself to do something that can show you that no one is going to kill you, no one is going to torture you, no one is going to come and beat you, burn you, or whatever, like what they say. As you can see for yourself, I'm alive. You can see for yourself, I'm safe. You can see for yourself, I'm wearing a ring, that I am still married. You can see for yourself. You know what the people have been saying. I am married, I am safe, and everything is fine.
Man, welcome to Slick Media TV, pa channel yenyu inopisa, channel iruuya nazvo, channel inobura nyaya dzinonakidza uye zviri nyaya dzinotyisa. Kana wanga usati wasubscribe pano pa channel, usakanganwa kusubscribe, ovwa klika ka notification icon ako so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first one to watch. Yes, as most of people had anticipated, Woliten adzoka zvakare akapfeka apologise achikumbira regerero and blaming it all on the alcohol. What happened? Woliten mutatuziva for the past few days he had been making waves on social media achita noise nyaya yekuataka the First Family and the ZANU PF party achitaura ndokutye nyange mukatumira maCIO akumana ndinopfura munhu at first sight. That was Woliten anga achitaura zvaanoda pasocial media achituka Collins Mnangagwa Shona achivaita zvese zvaanoda, but azoya mukomana achikumbira regera achitaura Maya, I had a point to prove. Ndaida kungoratidza vanhu kuti Maya munomu munyika yedu yeZimbabwe inyika yakasununguka, une freedom yekuita zvaunoita, hapana zvaunoita. As you can see guys, I am safe. Dova aposta video ane military police kurazoti aiwa ine nditoribo vachitopanana handshake vachipanana zvimahagi baba kurazoti aiwa vanhu vakatorwa makula downs makulayo anga aripo. But this is not the first time that Woliten aita zvinhu zvakadai, so ovadzoka over apologise achiblame on alcohol. If you remember, akazviita kuna Mudiwa Hood, akazviita kuna Prophet Uebert Angel, akadzoka futi akuti aiwa makulayo aya boys ndo ari kundikanganisa. But however, in the video that he made today, he made a statement achitaura kuti aiwa ndoda kumira regerero pese matiri problem iyi ndikudzoka ndoiblamera kudoro. So inini saWoliten, leader of the youth and speaker of the truth, ndiri kuda ndasarudza donho, ndatora donho yekuti ndizviendese kurehab, one of the best rehab, ndiyene ndinogadzirisa problem yandinayo. Handisikuda kukupedzerai time, so I will leave you to watch what Woliten has said. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Kuti icho wadi here ichi kana kuti mukomana sezvatinongoziva kuti mukomana it has become his culture kuti kana achida kuburitsa album anongovhura tumastunts vanomupa attention over kureleasa zvake manhamba ake. Ameno, let me know what you think. Is this a genuine move? Is this coming from the heart, or it's yet another part 3 or part 4 or part 5 of the same thing that he has been doing to us achibaisa over nyepera doro? So this is the video. Watch and tell me what you think in the comment section below.
Hello, Salibonani. It's the leader of the youth, Woliten Mukudze. I'm back. I want to address the people because I am the leader of the youth. Right, so I've been talking a lot, right? So I want to address everything that I've been doing because I've seen a lot of narratives that are now being pushed, and now it's time to be serious. Panaba Paspa Life. So the first thing is I've been pushing this word, the Vagudara. The reason why some of us have supported the ZANU PF and the president, even Muchitava and Ashtara's Nambasa, is because the ZANU PF is not a terrorist organization. Everyone, there are people that even accuse us of doing things that they have never been done before. So I decided to take it upon myself to do something that can show you that no one is going to kill you, no one is going to torture you, no one is going to come and beat you, burn you, or whatever, like what they say on their Twitters and everything. You've heard them speaking. But what I can then acknowledge is that I did it the wrong way. I did it the wrong way. It was the wrong way of provoking. I felt under the influence of alcohol that the highest provocation, that's something that you would expect, that you don't cross that line. But then that was my decision, wrong decision, Those are my brothers from the jump. Yeah, those are my brothers. Never lie to anyone. Everyone knows that those are my brothers and we are family. So I want to take this time to apologize to my brothers, Sean and Collins, when I was trying to prove to them the country is a safe place. I shouldn't have gone for your names, and I was a bit drunk. I was drinking, I was excited to have my life and everything like that. There's also another step that I've decided to take, since I'm here acknowledging that now it was also alcohol that was now in the mix. And as someone that has been speaking against my drugs, as the leader of the You Speak of the Truth, I've decided to go and check myself into a rehabilitation center. Because number one, it's not the first time that I've come here saying I've done this because of alcohol. So now we need to fix that alcohol stuff. Number two, I've been trying to help others against alcoholism. So this will also set an example for the youth that this is the way that you deal with these problems. This is the way, because the president has acknowledged that the drug problem, alcohol problem, substances problem is an actual problem in our country. So I've decided to take it upon myself to go to a facility, a rehab, one of the best in the world, one of the best, to show the youth, because the youth are watching, this is the way to get help if this is your problem. The rest of the narratives that are being moved, as you can see for yourself, I'm alive. You can see for yourself, I'm safe. You can see for yourself, I'm wearing a ring, that I'm still married. You can see for yourself. You know what the people have been saying. I am married, I am safe, and everything is fine. The title deeds have my name there. So don't worry about people talking about what Zimbabwe narratives. There are people that will take this time and try to use this advantage to push their own narratives. I'm not part of them. I'm not part of them. I'm not from the opposition. It's ZANU PF.